Ramogi jang piny Kenya biro tiyo machiegni gi piny Israel e puro cham kod chiemo mamoko manyalo romo pidho ganda e pachoka kendo tero moko e piny mar Israel. Ma wach gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mano olero ni kit pur manyasani makoro piny Kenya chano tiyogo geto kelo lokruok malach e thurka. Ruto ne wuoyo e kinde limbe mare piny Israel kamano oromo gi jatend pinyno Isaac Herzog e kar jot mare boma ma Jerusalem. Jotelo yie yawo malach kendo bero hala pur. Weche magarita ko tiyo kod yore manyasani e tawo chenro mopogore opogore kaka yorno ne pinjego odongore kanyakla. Igeno ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto dhi romo gi Prime Minister mar Israel Benjamin Netanyahu.
We have an additional 8 MOUs that are being worked on in different sectors. I am very keen on matters to do with health. As you're aware, Kenya has identified health as one of our priority areas. We're looking forward to working with you on blue economy. We have huge potential in the blue economy space that is untapped and that needs investment and cooperation, and I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience.
We see this as a very important turning point in the upgrading of the relations between our countries. We could do so much more in terms of business relations in all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation. We are grateful to you for your friendship with us in the international forums, and we believe that the real story is to enhance the relations between our future generations and people to people on so many fronts.